Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our series of SolidWorks training tutorials. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use faces for loft and boundary profiles. So let's get into it. So I've got my part open here. You can see it's the head of a golf club. So spin it around so you can see it. And we're going to create a loft using the two faces. So I move up to the features and select the lofted boss base command. And in my profiles, I just select that face and that face. And you can see it creates a loft between the two. Now it's not just perfect yet, so it's just going directly there, and you can see it tries to kind of keep the number of edges. So there's 4 edges in this, so it tries to replicate that on the round part. But if I open up start end constraints, and instead of a start end constraint of none, we can go tangency to face, and that gives me a nice little sweep. And we've got this little arrow again, which we can modify if needs be. If you want to just tweak that a little bit, you can pull that arrow out a little. Don't go too mad with it, or it'll pull the way out. Or you can come back here and just, I'll take the default one there, and you can do the same on the next one. So tangency to face on that, and it just gives it that little bit more of a smooth process going from one face to the other. So just make sure you've got merge results checked down here. Click OK, and that's my little golf club and the part created. So if you have any questions about this or any other features that you'd like me to do a video on, or if you just want to leave a comment, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll try and get as many of them as I can. And if you could hit that like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.